everybody, it's me Tess with Tess Loves Yarn, and you guys, I am here today with another Mary Maxim monthly crochet kit unboxing. Wow, that was a mouthful. So anyway, I hope you all had a great holiday. I hope that you all had a wonderful New Year's Day. And now it's kind of all over for now, right? And life is getting back into a routine, sort of. Yeah. So, anyway, um, I do want to take a minute to thank all of my subscribers for being here. You guys are amazing and I appreciate you so much. I also want to thank my private channel members. You guys are also crazy amazing, right? And I'm just so thankful and so grateful to have you all here. So thank you. If you are new here and you like me, I'd be tickled pink if you'd hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and it helps my channel a lot. So thank you so much if you decide to do that. Now, let's get into this Mary Maxim bag, y'all. I got my trusty Tim Holtz scissors right here, and we are going to open this package up. And while I'm opening this, I want to let you know that I am going to be doing a video in the next couple of days announcing the winner of my big 30 balls of yarn giveaway. And I have decided, as I usually do, to pick at least one bonus winner, maybe two, that will win something. It won't be 30 balls of yarn, but it will be something nice from me. So stay tuned for that video. And I'm sorry, I gotta do the nose thing. Alrighty, so it's open, everybody. It is open. And let's see what Mary Maxim has given us this time. Oh my goodness, what is this? Look at that. So we have some Patons Highland bulky yarn. Oh, and here is the pattern. It is for some slippers, and look at that. Those are super cute, y'all. Super cute. I don't care who you are. That's cute. Look at that. It's like a little collar around it. Okay, so loving the pattern. Let's check out the yarn because I have not used this yarn before. Let's see what this yarn is like. So we have 4 balls of this yarn. It is the colorway Tidal. It is Patons Highland Bulky. It's a 3.5 ounce ball, which is 100 grams if you live anywhere but the US. It's 83 yards or 76 meters. It is 75% acrylic and 25% wool. Now that's nice because that will hold up well on your feet, if y'all know what I mean. Because, you know, we're walking around the house and stuff, right? So yeah, not the softest yarn, especially for me because I have sensitive skin. So I could not wear this as a sweater or scarf or anything like that, but I think I could probably get away with wearing it on my feet. It's not bad. It's just probably not quite as soft as my skin would need it if I wore it on my upper body. Y'all know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, I think this will make really nice slippers. So we have 4 balls of this, and let me just tell you what the care directions are. Let's see. Da-dun. Oh, it's a super bulky 6, and they recommend 8mm needles and an 8mm hook. And let me see. This is made by Yarnspirations, by the way. So it's wash in water not exceeding 86 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 30 degrees Celsius. It says use a permanent press setting. Do not bleach it. And then it says gently squeeze the water out to dry it, and dry it flat on a flat surface. Well, how else do you dry it flat? I don't know, right? Okie dokie. It says do not iron. Hello, thank you. Thank you, Yarnspirations. Y'all know how I feel about ironing yarn. If it's 100% cotton, totally fine with it. But really, any other yarn, do not iron it. Unless you're doing some kind of special crazy technique-y thing that calls for you to have to iron it so that it melts together. I don't know. But yeah, otherwise, do not iron your yarn, people. All right. And it says do not dry clean. That's different. Alrighty. So those are the care instructions here. Now our pattern, which I just have to say again, look how stinking cute those are, people. Look at that. That is cute. I love that. So slip-on slippers, and you can make them in sizes small, medium, or large. Y'all know I am super short. I am like about 5'1", and I would probably take a small size in these. So that is what I will do. Oh, it gives you the length and tells you the sizes. So this pattern gives you the sizes to make the small and the medium, and then they have a separate one for making the large, and then all of the sizes do like the ending part. So you do have to like skip around in the pattern just a tiny little bit. Like if you're following the small and medium, then you start at the beginning, you'll go down to the 3rd row, and then if you're following small and medium, you do that section. If you're doing the large, you skip over to the next page where it says size large. So not hard to understand, y'all. Pretty easy, okay? Pretty easy. This is calling for a 10mm hook, so you're going to use a bigger size hook than what the yarn actually calls for, and that happens sometimes because for whatever reason they want you to have a looser stitch, or they want you to have more drape or whatever. You know what I mean? There's always a reason for it. So the stitch guide looks very, very simple, everybody. It uses a single crochet and a half double crochet, and let's see, and then it does use an increase and a decrease. So super simple, super simple. And if you don't know how to do, actually, wait a minute. It does not use an increase. It uses a decrease. That's it. Just a decrease. So if you don't know how to do a decrease, super easy. I think I even have a video on how to do that, but you know, YouTube has a ton of videos on how to do crochet decrease. So there you go. So no worries. Super easy pattern. Very super easy. I would say this is absolutely fine for a beginner. Mary Maxim doesn't always give like beginner, intermediate, or advanced on their patterns, but just looking at this, I would say this is very beginner friendly. Okay, so that is our yarn for Mary Maxim's kit. And I believe this is the December kit that I literally just got yesterday. And yesterday was, what was yesterday? January 3rd. But you know, Christmas and the crazy postal things, right? So that's probably why it did not come sooner. And I am going to just check quickly to see if we can get this yarn at Mary Maxim. Because you know, Mary Maxim is pretty, what should I say, bad about giving us discontinued yarn. And I think they're just missing out on a great opportunity to make more yarn sales. I mean, they could give us a new yarn and we could try it and be like, oh my God, I love it. And then we got to hop online and buy more, right? But no, they don't do that. And I don't know why they don't do that, but they don't ask me, y'all. I'm not sponsored by Mary Maxim. I would love to be, but I'm not. So there you have it. They don't ask me. All right, let's Google this yarn. I'm on the Mary Maxim website. Patterns, Highland, blah, 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 bulky. And let's see. Are we gonna have some yarn? Well, it is not popping up, y'all. Let me see. Highland bulky. Well, let me put yarn in. Let's do it right. Let's just do it right. Let's see. And no, it's not popping up. So I am going to guess that once again this yarn has been discontinued, because why else am I not getting this to come up on their website, right? Yeah, nope. There is nothing found for Patton's Highland Bulky yarn. So there you have it, you guys. You cannot get this at Mary Maxim. Not exactly sure if you can get it anywhere else, but Mary Maxim will not have this. So let me plug in Patton's Highland Bulky yarn just on Google and see what pops up. Okay, you can get it on Etsy. You can get it, pretty much that's it. You can get it on Etsy. Let's see. Oh, Amazon carries it as well. And it is quite expensive on Amazon. It is $12 a ball or $11 for it. It varies. Yes, it varies on color. So it ranges from $10 to $12, and that's on Amazon. I don't see any other place that it is popping up for sale. Let me see if Yarn Inspirations has it. Okay, Yarn Inspiration does have it, and yes, it is on clearance at Yarn Inspirations, which means that it is most likely being discontinued. So it's all on clearance, every color, and they only have, looks like they only have 3 colors left. So yeah, they have pecan, primrose, which is a grayish color, Aran, which is like a cream color, and I think that is all that they have left, you guys. Everything else, yeah, everything else is sold out. So once again, Mary Maxim is giving us yarn that is being discontinued. So Mary, what are we gonna do with you, girlfriend? I don't know. But anyway, that is it for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're having a great day. And you know what comes next. Be kind and be safe out there in the world, no matter where you are. And I will see you all very soon to announce the winners of my giveaway. Thanks for being here, everybody. Bye.